Hello dental implant fans, Alina Naraki here from Dental Art San Diego in continuation of our discussion of all-on-4 dental implant option. And if we're talking about function, then let's imagine a scenario when over the years patients lost teeth on the upper right, and then they also lost the teeth on the lower left. And so in that situation, they can't really chew because nothing is meeting anything. And then the remaining teeth are starting to shift. So the whole occlusal plane looks like a pickety fence. And so the function is not possible to achieve. The proper function is impossible. In that case, patients would consider all-on-4, might consider all-on-4 dental implant option as well. Thank you so much for being with us today. That was Alina Naraki from Dental Art San Diego. Please join us on the next one.